Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. 27th May. Finally! It's releasing! Friends Reunion! Oh my god! The long wait has finally come to an end. Aren't you guys excited? I know you are. So it would have been really shocking if I didn't make a video on that. I know. So here I am doing the most obvious thing possible right now. So I just thought of doing, since I am having a YouTube channel, I have a few countable subscribers. So I thought of adding a question tag on Instagram and see how many people are reacting to it. And guess what? There were so many replies that I don't think I will be able to adjust all of them in a single video. I really wish I could say that. But without wasting any more time, I will move on to the replies that were made by a few kind-hearted, genuine people who cared so much about me and are genuine Friends fan. So the first comment says that I will be watching it for Chandler and sarcasm. Let's see what happens. That's cute. That's really cute because Chandler is the king of sarcasm. So he is actually one of the main reasons why we have been binge watching Friends, right? Moving on to the next comment, which is guest list ta dekha matha ta gorom hoya geche Gunther ar Janice thik ache Malala ki chilbo. Okay, let me translate it for you just for the sake of decency. It says that after going through the guest list, she legitimately went mad. She is cool with the fact that Gunther and Janice are there, but what is the deal with Malala? Okay. Will it be a shame if I say I forgot who this character is, Malala? But yeah, obviously, if something like Friends Reunion is happening, it will really be incomplete without Gunther and Janice saying, "Oh my god," right? Okay, now moving on to the third comment. It says, just afraid that they won't be able to live up to our expectations. We got the ending we deserved. Honestly speaking, this is one of my favorite replies because the feeling is completely mutual. The ending that we got in Friends was so overwhelming and so complete that I am actually a bit scared. What if they don't live up to my expectations, because they have raised the bar to such a high level. Now we can say just fingers crossed. Then the fourth person says, can I be any more excited? Okay, that's nice, copying Chandler. But I hope authenticity is not toned down. Yeah, correct. Same. Again, the feeling is completely mutual. Yes, I am really excited about it, but again, really scared about the fact that what if the original essence is not there this time. The next person says, Amar interface khali load hoy. Noita submission bishon lethargic hoya roise. Just for the sake of some decency, let me translate it. My interface is still loading. I have 9 submissions left and I feel really lethargic. Is there some kind of message in between the lines which I cannot decode? If any one of you are able to decode this entire message, please, I'll be happy to see that in the comment box. Moving on to our next response, which says, excitement at its peak. Yeah, it is. We are excited. No matter how scared or nervous we are about its authenticity, excitement is completely 100%. That's true. Okay, now comes this person. Still unable to go beyond season 1, episode 2. Shame on you! Seriously, shame on you! And literally, you had the guts to comment this on my question tag? Oh my god, what are you doing? Go get yourself tied up with a chair and start watching it. Trust me, no hard feelings. But I really hate you. Last but not the least, the most beautiful comment anyone could ever place. Not interested. What is wrong with you? How on earth can you not be interested in Friends reunion? God damn, it's Friends reunion. You are bound to be excited. It's an unwritten rule in the rule book of I don't know what, but you are bound to be excited. What do you mean by not interested? I was honestly very excited about this entire thing, but a few days ago I came across a post on Instagram that said that HBO has made it very clear that Friends reunion is not an extension or neither an extra episode of the original series Friends. In this particular reunion thing that is gonna take place, all the characters are gonna appear as themselves and not as the characters of the Friends series. Not gonna lie, but I am a little disappointed because I obviously love all the 6 of the actors as themselves, but the affection, the connection, the attachment that we made with the characters was different. So I don't know how many of you were expecting them to represent themselves as the character of the series, but I was. What actually are we gonna come across in this Friends the reunion? It's like more or less 8 or 9 months ago. The trailers that I came across that made it very clear that they were trying to portray the life of all these 6 people after they get separated. Like there it was Rachel having her kid who has grown up, and Chandler and Monica are having some marital issues and all.
Out of your mind? I'm sorry, I didn't realize how attractive you are.
Joey being a very successful actor and Ross busy with his own life in some sort of multinational company. Phoebe again is in some sort of multinational company. And that gave me a ray of hope that yes, again we will meet them as the character themselves. But a few days ago, HBO uploaded another trailer in which it was very clear that there is gonna be a simple talk show with the actors themselves and not the characters of that Friends series. Not gonna lie, it is a bit disappointing, although I am a huge fan of all 6 of them, but still if I ever had to choose between the Friends characters and the actors themselves, I would obviously go for Friends characters. I don't know about you guys, but definitely let me know your choice, whether Friends characters or the actors themselves. Yeah, I am a bit disappointed, but that in no way means that I'm gonna miss the reunion. Be it a talk show or whatever, after all it's the Friends, so I am gonna watch it, and if you are a Friends fan, I'm sure you also will be watching it too. And now finally that we have got something to bond over, that is the Friends. So why don't you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, please. Oh yes, one more thing, do not forget to share your excitement, and yes, meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Wait, like no matter what it is, dare not miss the Friends reunion, okay? That will be a crime.